Hi guys, today I'm taking a look at these floor drain stickers. These measure about 4 by 4 inches and they're for like shower drains and floor drains. You could probably even use them like on a bathroom sink drain. I know my husband does a lot of beard trimming in the bathroom, so that might help in catching some of that debris rather than letting it go down the drain. But anyway, it also comes with this little plastic scraper to help get off the sticker whenever you want to remove it when it's full of hair. So anyway, I'll show you how to put it on. So you just peel off this backing. It comes off pretty easy. And then you can just make sure this is clean and dry. And then just put it on here. And then you can just press it down. And it does come off easy. There's also a sticky in the middle here too, but I'm just doing it right around the edges. So, and then I've already used these before. They do come off easy, but if you have any issues, if the adhesive sticks and doesn't come off when you peel it off, this just scrapes it right off. So it's pretty slick. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.